Hey guys, today we will be doing an unboxing video of this pocket knife. As you can see, it says Boy Scouts of America. I do have a duplicate of it, so it's pretty cool. And we will be unboxing this other knife, like this. It's a little folding pocket knife. So let's get straight to it. I'm going to hang you guys back on my laundry basket right here. Oh well, I guess it won't fit, guys. So I'm just gonna clean you guys up right here. Hey guys. So I'm going to actually lean you guys up right over here on my Scout box. I am in Scouts, so we will be doing an unboxing of this exact knife.
And here's the one.
Just so you guys know it's actually a duplicate. Okay, so this is going to be Cayman's new knife. He's been on this channel before. So I'm just going to make a little cutout right here. Cut this part out. Just so you have something you can rip from. Here you go. Okay. And let's be doing an unboxing. Okay, got that. Here, I'll cut this plastic around it. Okay. Just gonna take this off of it. We need to get this side of that plastic. We did have this plastic right in front. As you guys can see, we are that much into this knife. See that? That's the knife we're trying to open with the exact same knife. Well, the same type of knife. So, Cayman?
Mm-hmm.
Would you like to be walking on most videos for this channel?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go. See how it has Boy Scouts of America?
There it is.
The knife. We are at 3 minutes and 4 seconds. Folds right up, right? Oh, that's polished. Good. Has a really nice, better grip. Feel the difference between the grips. In the blade, feel that blade, and feel this blade. See? We were just touching the top, not the bottom. We were touching right here of it. See how the difference is?
Mm-hmm.
So this will be your new knife. Even though you have a ton. What the heck are you doing, dog? This is my new dog, Soldier. Let's see him. Derpy! He's been in another few more of my videos, but... Oh, you a good boy. Oh, such a good boy. He loves to chew on things, so that's what we do. But this is going to be I hope you guys like this video. Please get 50 likes and I will do, 50,000 likes. And I will do another unboxing video. See ya.